Hey, guess what? You just landed at 5 Lakes Garage, and today we're teaming up with Auxito again because they hooked me up. Now, we worked with Auxito in the past. We actually get a discount code. Check it out down below if you need to get, if you want to look as good as this Toyota here coming up soon. Go ahead and hit the link down below. Check out all their stuff. They have it for all different types of vehicles. Today, we're going to put it on our 2019 Toyota Tacoma, and let's see what they hooked me up with today. We got headlights, LED, bright as freak. High beams, never gonna hit that deer because you're gonna see them miles away. Just be careful, these high beams are really bright. Try to turn them off when you have another vehicle coming up there because you will blind them. Just be nice. But we're not it because we have new fog lights. These halogens, not the greatest. We're gonna put some LEDs in there. We also have, we're gonna change out all the interior. You got the dome lights, you got the little cabin lights, everything that's gonna fit in these things, that's what we're gonna use for there. But we're not done because we got turn signals, we have backups, we have it all. So let's go ahead and dig right in. Go ahead and pull these things out and show you exactly how to put these things in because they are so easy. Even a teenager can do it, but they're a little busy today. Okay, we are underneath the hood, and yes, that is a supercharger right there, baby. But hey, we're right here on our front headlight. Now, these are going to be the easiest things you ever will replace. So we're going to take our box. Let's open it up. Now, in each box for these headlights, you're actually going to get a set of gloves. Why do you need gloves? Well, some of these halogens, you don't want to put your fingers on it. Your fingerprints will actually heat them up if you ever want to reuse them. And not only that, the LEDs get so bright and intense, you really don't want your fingerprints on those either. And if you need any instructions, bam, they send them to you free. All right, now this is also a white glove test to see how dirty your truck really is. This thing is wickedly dirty. We're in a drought, so I can't wash it. But this is how we're gonna do it. All right, we're gonna ready to do the headlight real quick. We're gonna start with the driver's side, and then we're gonna go on the passenger side, then I'm gonna show you the difference between one and the other. Turn the lights off, that type of thing. So what we wanna do, I'm gonna do this with one hand because that's how easy it is. I'm going to go over here to our regular low beam. As you can see, it's got a halogen right in there. And what we're going to do is just unplug it, just like that. Alright, here's the hard part. You're going to take your plug it right in. So anyway, so once that is actually plugged in, here's the hard part. Boom, practically done. Now, it does come with some tie wraps, and what you want to do is actually tie wrap your controllers out of the way. We don't want it to rub and jiggle all over the place. So you're going to take a tie wrap and just tie wrap it out of the way. Now, there's a cable right here on the side. I'm just going to use that. There you go. Nice, neat, out of the way. Then I'm going to take my clips and get rid of the tab. Now, we're not done yet over here. We're actually going to do the high beams as well. And so the high beams are this guy right here. If you look at it, it looks just like the other one. Once again, plug it in. All right, down on the ground now because we already replaced the high beam, we already replaced the low beam. Now we got to change the fog light. Auxito hooked me up with some fog light LEDs. Let's check out and see how we're going to get that in there. Basically, you take two screws out here and this whole panel kind of comes out. Don't know how well you're going to be able to see. You look deep inside, you can probably get it from the top, but here's your bulb. Same thing at the top, pulls right out. So this one here is still a halogen. I would recommend keeping your gloves on when you do this, but I ripped mine, so I got to get a new pair. But anyway, you got a halogen. Go ahead and put that to the side, and go ahead and put your new LED. Same thing, same way you just took it off. Alright, we're not going to be able to see it too well here in the shop, but here's the LEDs, nice and bright, and here are the halogens. This is factory, that's about what you get. Now look forward, which side of the shop can you see better? I'm going to say the LED side because these things are nice. Let's put it on high beams. Whoa, buddy. Alright. Bright white, dark halogens. That not so good. Awesome. All right, superly awesome difference there. The LEDs are a lot brighter. They're bright white. I should be able to see really far down the road. Now I'm going to check to see if my low beams are actually positioned correctly, because these are going to be a little bit brighter. You don't want to blind people. So go ahead and possibly adjust your headlights to actually aim them down a little bit, just so you don't, you know, beam them in somebody's eyeballs. Now granted, this truck is a little bit lifted. I should be doing this anyway. Anyway, I'm going to do the other side, then we'll show you all the other goodies we got. All right, we got both sides done and they look great. Can't wait till it gets dark so we can actually show you what it looks like outside. Now, we're not completely done yet because we're going to work our way back, because we still have a lot of bulbs left on that table. Because like I said, Auxito hooked me up. All right, we're getting ready to move on the inside, and so far we just took out the dome light. Very easy. Pop off the little plastic cover and then pull this guy out. Now be careful, this thing's been on, this thing gets hot. But now we're going to put on some LEDs from Auxito. Now it does come with quite a few of these things, so you can put them all over the truck. Most of the sockets are basically the same. Now the good thing about Auxito, because if you look at the new light, it's all LED, but you have springs on both sides, so it can fit multiple sockets. But they give you a tool for that. Comes with the kit. Basically going to spread it out. It's like a giant tweezers, so you can actually squeeze those springs in to actually get it into the places you need it. So let's go inside and install it. See if I can put this thing in. Alrighty, I'm not just relaxing, I'm putting this thing in. So it's in there. Now let's see how bright it is. Boom! Oh, I'm seeing dots. Don't look directly at it. Let's put our plate back on the correct way. Wow, all right. That is so much better. All right, let's see what else we got. I'm excited. I'm ready to do some more. All right, so we got that dome light fixed. Now we're gonna hook up to these. Look at the difference. You got LED and you got the old little bulbs. Incandescent bulbs. Anyway, in order to get this guy off, all you do is grab a hold of it and just pull it straight down. It'll actually undo these clips and everything comes down. Now, let me do this one-handed. Ready? All right. So there is your old bulb. Now let's go find a nice LED to replace it. And just remember, it does get hot. I'm gonna hit the air conditioner because that's cold, that is hot. Alrighty. So Auxito sent me over another package over here, and this is for your dome lights. Put you on Johnny kickstand. Alright, so these are very simple. So you're just gonna unplug it. So that. And then you're gonna plug in your new heatness. There you go. See, all you do, plug it back in, Bob's your uncle, there you go. Like I said, you're just going to screw it in. Now these are LEDs, so they're not bi-directional. So if it doesn't come on the first time, spin it around. There we go. All right, let's put this guy back in place and see what else I can change. I'm ready to change some more. Hey, you know what I said we're done up front? We're not. We forgot some of the marker lights. So you do have some extra ones for these little side ones right here. Now these are the same thing as the dome lights. They're very small. You're just going to pop this guy out. There we go. All right, so it does come with a little socket and you got your bulb. So now we're going to take our new bulbs, and these are the amber ones. So you can have amber on amber. You're going to plug this guy in there, plug in the connector, put it right back in. Now it's getting a little bit hard to get to. So you have your plug. It's going to plug her in. Factory plug, new light. Now the socket is way back there. Now it's on the other side of your regular beam or your regular headlight. So you might want to put these in first before you put your regular headlight in. Oh, that was a chore. Let's get my light on. All right, if you can see way back in there. Is a plug. That's where it goes. You can still get it done with the light still, I mean the headlight still attached, but it might have been easier just to take it off for that one. The rest of them are great. And also, while I have this one out, take a look at the size of that fan. Now all these converters and LEDs and stuff like that all have to stay cool. So they have a fan built in. That's the quality you're getting, baby. You. All right, I'm gonna do the other side. Then we're gonna work our way back to go even more. So we still got the tail lights, we got the backup lights, we got lights. All right, we're almost done with our haul. We just got a couple more lights to actually replace. Now we're gonna do some backup lights. Now we're back here in the back of the truck. Now on a Toyota, in order to get this whole entire light assembly off, it's just 2 bolts, one there, one right there. And then this whole thing will actually pop off. There are 2 clips, one right there and one right there, that you're going to pull straight off of the back here. Now you have 3 bulbs. You got your backup light, which is the one way down here at the bottom, and then you also have your brake light and your turn signal. So let's go ahead and pull off our backup. Get that off. All right. Now your backup lights are just going to plug right in just where the other bulbs are. All right. So like I said, LEDs need to be in a certain way, so let's test it. All right, there you go. So now we're good there. So let's go ahead and put that back together. And man, that was bright. All right, to put everything back together the same way you just took it off. So we're just gonna plug in all of our bulbs. There you go, snap them in. You got 2 bolts, one on top, one on the bottom. Now we get to do the other side. I'm so excited. There you go, simple as that. Now we only got one more thing to do, which will be our bottom lights here. I'm getting the bulbs out of the way so I don't break them. All right, now we got our license plate lights, and as you can see, it's the same type of connectors that we have up front. Now I do have an aftermarket bumper, but I do have the same factory actual lights themselves, so this should be relatively easy. All right, same thing as the other one. You just pull out your little bulb and then stick in your new one. All right, we got them both lit. Now we just gotta stick them in. All right, that was a really quick install for some really bright lights. Thanks a lot, Auxito, for actually sending those over. We're gonna get ready to pull it outside so we can do some before and after shots just to show you how much better these LEDs are. We got the fronts, we got the rears, we got dome lights, interior lights, everything. We are ready to go. Now I do have a black on black interior, but now that is a lot brighter. Look at those LEDs. Now I do have a few of those things left that I can actually put in the glove box. Any other lights that you have around, they're pretty much all the same socket, so those things work perfectly. So anyway, while I'm taking this outside, go ahead and take it easy, have fun. Check out Auxito. If you want a discount, take a look at below. There's a promo code. Go ahead and use that. You get 15% off. And also look at all the other stuff Auxito has. A proud sponsor, I have to say. Do not mind them being a sponsor of the channel. So anyway, take it easy, have fun, and go ahead and do your own stuff.